Here's the news of the day.
Dufour Aerospace completed successful flight tests of its hybrid electric Aero 2 drone, demonstrating in-air battery recharging and efficient performance with a tilt-wing design and autonomous flight capabilities.
Captain John Swede Anderson was relieved by Captain David Biz Bizzari as commander of helicopter Maritime Strike Wing Atlantic during a ceremony, marking the transition of leadership and continued commitment to mission readiness.
Chrysalian Mobility and Copenhagen Helicopter have signed a strategic agreement to develop sustainable AAM solutions, focusing on passenger and cargo transport, infrastructure, and eVTOL operations in Denmark's islands.
The Advanced Air Mobility Institute and Sapienza University have signed an MOU to collaborate on air mobility research, focusing on innovation, risk management, and operational efficiency for future aviation solutions.
FlyNow Aviation has partnered with Lineports to advance AAM, combining e-copter technology with geospatial software to enhance vertiport planning and flight simulations for urban mobility.
Airbus Helicopters has paused its City Airbus Next Gen eVTOL program after flight tests conclude in late 2025, citing the need for further advancements in key technologies like batteries and energy storage.
The FOS AA25 conference in Miami, this February 2025, will see increased participation from delegates, sponsors, and exhibitors, highlighting growth in the seaplane sector and its expanding industry connections. Learn more at the link below.
Lydian successfully demonstrated its technology to produce sustainable aviation fuel from CO2, water, and renewable electricity, aiming for commercial-scale production by 2030.
Skies 50 and Frontline Bioenergy form a joint venture to commercialize waste-to-energy technology, focusing on scaling sustainable aviation fuel production using Frontline's gasification technology.
Tangmere Aircraft Sales has appointed Brendan Lodge, Powell Korzelski, and Josh LeBreton to its sales team in response to growing demand, with the team also speaking at CJI London 2025.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.